everyone, my name is Lucy Adundo, and today on Christmas Eve we're going to prepare chocolate banana cake. So come close by, let's do this together. So as you can see, I prepared like the little bananas because they're much sweeter. And before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And so you'll find all the description of all ingredients that are used in the video caption. So we'll mash the sweet bananas properly and you'll add it to the bowl. In this case, I used a cooking pan because my bowl just broke. So after that, you're going to add to the mashed sweet bananas the eggs. And after that, you will whisk the bananas and the eggs together to give like a smooth feeling. So this can be done between 1 to 2 minutes. Just take your time doing this. Don't be in a rush. And the purpose of the eggs is to give the cake a bit of like moisture and make it be like very, very soft when you're eating it. Then after this, you're going to sieve the baking flour into the mixture as you continue to mix the dough also with the whisker. So you'll just do this very slowly, and this might take a couple of minutes. So you'll just mix it slowly to get rid of the crumbs. And then you will add baking powder. So here, I use 2 tablespoons of Kenyan baking powder and 1 spoon of German baking powder, because the German baking powder has some vanilla extract that gives some nice aroma, and I really love it. So you'll just mix it, whereby also you add some sugar and the vanilla extract. I like vanilla, the smell of vanilla in cakes. Then you just mix the dough as you also add the mixture of butter and vegetable cooking oil. There's some people who only might add or decide to add vegetable cooking oil, but because I love the aroma of also butter, so I mixed butter and vegetable cooking oil. Then you add some milk into the mixture and thoroughly whisk the dough until it becomes very, very smooth. You can see how I'm working on it. Yes. You have to work those hands as you're baking. And I forgot to add a pinch of salt, so I added it in the end. And yeah, you can whisk it to also give like a final smooth dough. But then also the pinch of salt is like a decision you can decide to do or not do. So when it's smooth and well done, you're going to like separate the dough into another bowl to mix the chocolate chips. So the chocolate chips can be gotten from any local or international supermarket. So mine I bought from Carrefour. Yes, and then after adding the chocolate chips, you can add like 2 or 3 handfuls depending on your own liking. and then you mix them well so that the dough has like the chocolate chips are well distributed. So in this case, I think I did 3 handfuls. And then you will grease the baking pan with the leftover butter and cooking oil. To make the cake not like stick in the baking pan. So here I am preheating my oven at 180 degrees. Then you'll pour the dough without the chocolate chips into the pan. And after that, you'll add the dough with the chocolate chips at the top. It will be like a small decoration of the cake. So it looks good. It will have some tiny brown colors. So depending on your oven, you're going to bake it for 45 to 60 minutes. And I added these small balls on the sides because the baking pan was bulging on the side. So this is the chocolate cake. Please enjoy it. Let me know how your chocolate banana cake turns out. Bye.